In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sparkline in Excel. A sparkline is a small chart that fits inside a single cell. It is a simple way to show trends in your data without taking up much space. This is especially useful when you want to compare rows of numbers and quickly see whether values are going up, going down, or staying fairly consistent. To begin, select the blank cell where you want the sparkline to appear. This should be the cell that will display the mini chart. For example, if your data is in the row to the left, you might click a blank cell at the end of that row. Make sure the cell is empty, because this is where Excel will place the sparkline. Next, go to the Insert tab on the top ribbon. This is where Excel keeps tools for adding visual elements to your worksheet. Once you are on the Insert tab, look for the Sparklines group. In that section, click Line if you want a small line chart, or choose Column if you prefer vertical bars. Both options work in a similar way, so the one you choose depends on how you want your data to look. After that, Excel will open a small dialog box. Click inside the Data Range box. This is where you tell Excel which values should be used to build the sparkline. Now highlight your horizontal data row directly in the worksheet. For example, if your values are across one row, select those cells from left to right. It is important to choose the full range of related data, so the sparkline reflects the complete trend. Once the correct range appears in the Data Range box, review it quickly to make sure you selected the right cells. This helps avoid mistakes and ensures the sparkline displays the pattern accurately. Then click OK. Excel will immediately insert the mini chart into the blank cell you selected at the beginning. You will now see a compact visual summary of your data right inside the worksheet. This is a great feature when you want a clean, professional way to add quick visual insight without creating a full chart. You can repeat the same process for other rows of data if needed. That covers everything you need to know.